Give me the best of the Bentley. Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. And y'all, I've been sick. I'm still sick, but I'm gonna push through these videos for y'all, you feel me? Okay guys, as you guys can see, the wig is installed from ASTERIA Hair, honey. And the hair is very long. It's very, very cute. You guys probably already seen this in my birthday video that I did or whatever. You guys probably already seen the hair. So yeah, let's get into the wig. So the wig definitely fits my head. I like that a lot. It fits my head. I did have my friend, as you guys could see, she installed the wig for me, but I did this, but in the video she did that. She bleached the knots for me and she straightened it for me and everything like that, customized it. She plucked a little bit because the wig was already plucked some. And all I did was just spray the Got To Be spray, and I put this thing on. The sides aren't really on like that, but it's semi on. Okay, it's semi on, but from here to here is like, it's on, honey. It's on. They said this $250. I'm not sure if this wig is $250, maybe $200, maybe, yeah, maybe $200. I don't think that is $250 though. I don't think it's $250, but I do think it's probably $200 density. It is kind of full. It is pretty full, guys. That's one thing I like about it. It is full, and I do like it. I do like how silky it is. It definitely moves with me, and I do like that. And it is definitely true to length. The length is pretty good. Okay, so I definitely think it was worth the money. I do love the quality. I like the quality of the wig. I did take the combs out of the front. I left the one in the back, but I left the 2 combs. I took the 2 combs out in the front. I don't really like the combs in the front because, you know, it's just taking up space and it takes off your hair. I don't like that. But overall, I like the wig, y'all. Excuse me. Let me know what you guys think about the wig. Okay, I definitely like the wig. I will come back on here in like 2 months and do a 3-month review and show you guys. But overall, I'm happy with the wig. Also, when she was washing it for me, my friend was washing it, she didn't have no shedding. I haven't had any shedding so far. I do like the hair. Like, some of the hair has a few split ends, but other than that, I definitely like the hair. Again, guys, I paid this hair with my own money. I will always tell the truth, okay? So that's my opinion on the hair. Let me know if you guys like it. Now, if you guys are effing with your girl, I have a giveaway going on, guys. I partner with a company called PressedLashBar, guys, and I am going to be giving away 2, maybe 3 lashes that they sent me. These are one of the lashes that they sent me. I won't be giving these away, honey. But these are the lashes in Spoiled. Okay, I love these lashes so much. I love this company. It's black owned, female owned, ow. And just look how pretty these lashes are, y'all. If you guys go on my Instagram, you guys will see I did a little tutorial kind of trailer video on it. But I love how full these are. These are the 25mm lashes. Love these so much. And what I like is that her lashes are very, very affordable. So, okay, she did send me some lashes. I'm so excited, guys, and I'm so grateful. She sent me these beautiful lashes. And also, guys, before we get started on the lashes, what company you know, what beauty company, eyelash company you know sells purity boxes? Okay, so this is the Pressed Purity Bar, okay, and basically she sells a nice purity box for you for healing and for all that other stuff. Okay, I really like that. And then there's some soap in here that smells really good, and I really like it. So yes, the box includes Himalayan bath salt for rejuvenating, relaxing, and detox. That's what this is right here. And then I have a Palo Santo burning stick for clearing bad energy, providing spiritual protection, and bringing good luck. Monitor while burning, please. And then we have the clear rose quartz for clearing the mind of negativity, enhancing higher spiritual receptiveness, and a master of all healing crystals. So this is the rose quartz, and I'm into stuff like this, so I was really happy with that. Like, I like stuff like this. Like, I'm into the spiritual healing and stuff like that. Okay, and this is the white sage smudge stick for cleansing people, places, and objects of bad energy or spirits. Monitor while burning. Okay, order yours today and begin purifying your mind, body, and soul. Who says self-love was a bad thing? Okay, so it comes in this cute little box, and I just freaking love that. And I have my sage, guys. Ever since I moved into my place, I have not saged my place. I holy watered my place, but I haven't saged my place. So this is how it's looking. I think that is so bomb, y'all. Like, come on, 2-in-1. You get you some lashes and some sage to cleanse them damn spirits, y'all. Listen. Let's cleanse these motherfuckers. Let's cleanse the house. All these bad energies. See, my house is peaceful though. But yeah, my house is peaceful. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna actually do like a clean with me one day. I would burn it right now, but I don't want to because I want to do it like, you know, and say my little piece and stuff. So I'm gonna do this definitely. So stay tuned for that video. But let's get into the lashes. So the lashes that I have is called Spoil, like I said. And she did send me one of these. This is the eyelash applicator, which I love. Those are very helpful. And these are the 3 lashes. So I just love her packaging. Her packaging is A1. Each lash comes in these little baggies, and you can't ask for anything better. So this is her. This lash right here is called her, and this is a 25mm lash. I might give these away. I might give these away in the giveaway. Okay, so all you guys have to do to enter into the giveaway is just follow PressedLashBar. I'll leave the link. I'll leave her information in the description box. So all you have to do is follow PressedLashBar, and you have to follow me, of course. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Basically, I did a post of me wearing putting on the lashes and stuff. You guys will see that post. Comment on that post, done, or comment under this video, done, so I can enter you into the giveaway. So the giveaway will most likely be maybe a month from now, a few weeks from now, a month from now. Okay, or come like, some of them come like this. This is so cool. So I'm definitely giving these away. These are the more smaller ones. This is the 18mm lashes. So I'm gonna be giving these away, okay? This is mood swing. So this is also for, you know, if you want to pop, but you don't want too much showing. Like, you want to pop, but you don't want to be too bold with it. Okay? And these is the It Girl. Okay, I love these. I am not giving these away. I am not giving these away, honey. I am not giving. Look how pretty these are. So yeah, she does have 18mm for your girls who don't like all that, you know, rah, you know, all that, you know, the girls who are so in your face. And then she does have the 25mm like your girl need. Okay, I even think she has 28mm. I just want to bring you guys closer so you guys can see the lashes. Definitely go follow us and enter into this giveaway so you can win some lashes. Again, I might give away the first pair that I showed you guys because yeah, I want you guys to have at least a 25mm and an 18. I'll let you guys know, but so far I'm gonna give away the 2 18mm. So go and definitely enter into that giveaway. Okay, honey, enter into that giveaway. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe, it's free. Tap that bell to be notified when your girl upload and all of that. Thank you all for watching. Bye.